Hello everyone, this is IAL Unit 4 Biology, and today we're talking about the Calvin cycle. You may call it the light-independent reactions. The Calvin cycle can be divided into three main stages. The first stage is known as carbon fixation. The second one is known as reduction. And the third stage is known as regeneration. In the first stage, a molecule of inorganic carbon dioxide reacts with a 5-carbon compound known as RUBP for ribulose bisphosphate. Together they combine with the help of an enzyme. The enzyme's name is Rubisco. RUBP and the carbon dioxide together, they will form a 6-carbon compound which is quite unstable. This 6-carbon compound will soon break down and form a carbon compound known as GP. This is a reduction reaction which requires the reducing power of NADPH, which comes from the light reactions, and ATP, which comes from those same reactions. GP will then be converted to GAL, which is another 3-carbon compound, and ATP will then be used to regenerate RUBP so that the cycle continue to happen. You may now think, what's the point of the cycle? Because we've just ended where we've started. But the reality is that we've turned a molecule of inorganic carbon dioxide into organic carbon that is combined with hydrogen and oxygen, and it will soon turn to glucose. If you just run this cycle 6 times, remember the formula of glucose has 6 carbons in it.